Good morning, everyone. Children, in your previous class, you have completed question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 9.2. Today, we'll complete question 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, question number 3, complete the table of product. You have to complete it in your maths book with the pencil. As I have solved 3 for you, first monomial they have given this side and second this way. 2x multiplication with 2x, 4x square. It's given in the book only. Now the second one is given to you, minus 5y will be multiplied by 2x. So the result will be 5 2s are 10 minus 10 xy. Next is 3x square. You have to multiply with 2x. So it will be 3 2s are 6 x cube. Next we have minus 4 xy multiplied by 2x minus 8 x square y. So you have to complete this table in your book with the pencil only. Now question number 5 and 4 we have to do. We will be doing question number 5 first. It's given to you, obtain the product, and 3 monomials are given to you, 3 even 4 monomials are also given to you. So the method is, first of all you will multiply 2 monomials, then the result will be multiplied with the third one. So first of all we will multiply xy and yz. It will be x y square z, and now we will multiply this one with zx. It will be x square y square z square, and this will be your answer. Now second part of this question, again trinomials are given to you. A multiplied by minus a square multiplied by a cube. So now the product of these two, first two will be minus a cube multiplied by a cube. So the result will be minus a raised to the power 6. Now next question we have question number 4. We have completed question number 5 first. Now we are doing question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular box with the length, breadth and height respectively. Length, breadth and heights are given to you. In first part they have given length is 5a, breadth 3a square and height is 7a raised to the power 4. Now the formula for the volume we have L into B into H. Now 5a multiplied by 3a square into 7a raised to the power 4. We will multiply 5 with 3, 15a cube multiply by 7a raised to the power 4. So this will be 105a raised to the power 7. Now I am doing its second part also for you. This is 2p, breadth is 4q and height is 8r. So we have to multiply 2p 4q into 8r. Directly also you can multiply these three. 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now we have three variables p, q and r. So this will be the answer. Next topic we have multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Now till now you have done multiplication of a monomial with monomial. Now multiplication of a monomial with binomial. I am taking one example. Suppose it's given to you 2x multiplied by 3y plus 7. Now 2x, this is a monomial. 3y plus 7 binomial given to you, you have to multiply. Now the way is, you will multiply 2x with 3y first and 2x will be multiplied with the second term, that is 7. So we'll write this way: 2x into 3y plus 2x into 7. This will be 6xy plus 14x. So this is the solution of multiplication of a monomial by a binomial. Now from exercise 9.3, question number 1. Question number 1 is multiply the binomials. Binomial with a monomial. They have given 4p q plus r. These are the two terms given to you, so it is a binomial. And the first we have, this is 4p, it is a monomial. So we'll write this way: 4p multiplied by q plus r. The meaning of, when bracket is there, the meaning of this is multiplication. Now we'll multiply 4p into q plus 4p into r. So this will be 4pq plus 4pr. So this is the first part of exercise 9.3, question 1. I am taking one more part for you, fourth part. This is a square minus 9 4a. There are two terms in the first part, so this is a binomial and second one is a monomial. So a square minus 9 you have to multiply with 4a. So you have option, you can write this 4a this side also, 4a a square minus 9. So now 4a will be multiplied by a square, and again 4a will be multiplied by 9. Now it will be 4a cube minus 36a. Now next we have multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial. So question number 2 of exercise, in this monomial and trinomials are given to you. Just first part they have given first expression a and second expression b plus c plus d. Now you can see they have given you in the form of a table, but you will be doing this question in your notebook. Now how to do this one? You have to multiply one monomial with trinomial. Now same way we'll write b plus c plus d, means second expression in the bracket. So same way here, first of all a will be multiplied with the first term, then a will be multiplied with the second term, and then it will be multiplied with the third term. So it will be a into b, a into c, a into d. So it will be ab plus ac plus ad. So this is the first part of question number 2 of exercise 9.3. I am taking one more part for you. I am taking its fourth part. Now they have given 4p square q square. This is the first expression. Second expression p square minus q square. Now binomial they have given. So 4p square q square will be multiplied with p square minus q square. So same way 4p square q square multiplied by p square minus 4p square q square will be multiplied by q square. So this will be 4p raised to the power 4 q square minus 4p square q raised to the power 4. So you have to complete exercise 9.2 and question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 9.3. Thank you and have a nice day.